Okay, I was first not going to present anything, then I was going to present something really stupid, and then Steph wants to present something useful, so I'm going to present in record time 3 projects with stupidity level in crescendum. No, in descendum. First the plus stupid. So, do you know what
Don't waste your time.
That, as you know, as some of you know, I have insomnia. So when I have insomnia, I hack things that I found entertaining. And one of that is that I play a lot of role-playing games, and now I'm living in Lille, so I cannot play with my friends. So I started to play something that is called a MUD, which is multi-user dungeon, which is the prehistoric version of a multimedia online role-playing game. There is an active community of certain thousands of persons in the full world. So the common thing of these games is that since are from the 90s and telnet games, is everything in text like this. As you can see, this is Legends of the Jedi, a mode that I play. For example, let's go to log really quick, and I will show you what is this. You log, and you are suddenly in a room, and you say you are in the streets of Mannerheim Heights in Coruscant, and you have certain movements that you can do. You can go, for example, here north, you enter N, you go, and you move, and you are in the enter of the Coruscant Combat Academy. You have a lot of things. It's really deep in his really nerd way. But, of course, if you start moving and doing stuff, you get lost really fast. And they just provide telnet for playing. So what I say, we are small talkers, we can do better. No? So in one of those nights, I created this stupid thing, which now is not. Where is? No. Yes, this one. Which is a program, a telnet client with a lot of parsers to do exactly the same since my Faro. No? And then what I do is, first I did a telnet parser, a telnet station, which all the standard protocols and some special protocols that are provided not just for ANSI colors, but also for processing special information that these games provides.
You're showing your password.
Yes, it's not a real. And here I am playing. So now I can start moving, and my program keeps tracks of your movements, so you just now know where you are, which is important. No? And also does exactly the same of the Maximiliano program does. It traces your force, because I'm playing a Jedi, of course. No, in fact, this is a smuggler, but okay. Movement, health, and that. So we can, for example, we can kill someone. I open a door, I enter here, and this is a training place. I save, give me a town to kill, and it appears. Oh no. Who is level 5? Level 5. That says that it appears there. So it says kill it, because this is command line gaming. And now it starts to town, not town. And as you see, well, I choose a really easy opponent, so I'm killing him badly and really fast. And he's dead. But what is cool of this is that you can do a lot of stuff that parsing just the text of the telnet provides, and right now I'm doing already much more than what all these games provide. So I'm going to make this into a package and give it to the community, and I suppose that in some months I will have hundreds of users, and probably people scripting in Smalltalk. So it's a good way of bringing people to the community. So it's stupid, but not so stupid. So the second thing is not stupid at all, but I cannot finish because I have problems, and always a problem that is not related to the project itself. For example, now FFI is not loading in Faro 3, so I need to first make FFI to load in Faro 3 to show this, which is a project that I started 4 years ago, and it's almost ready, and it's usable, except that some details that are really boring to finish, and then it's not really insomnia material. So, and it's this. As you can see, it's native widgets for Faro, which is the old project Mars. And okay, I could not break it. I could not. So I will not show more of this because the dictator there says that I have 1 minute. And the first is the only thing that is really usable, which is Voyage. It's a framework for the Mongo database. In fact, it's oriented to every NoSQL database, but the only backend that is implemented now is MongoDB. And the coolness of the framework is that it uses introspection and Magritte to do whatever you want to do. The only thing that you need to do with this is create your repository here, and then in, for example, one object, create this method, say that you're going to be a root, and then you can create an object and save it. And starting from there, you can query, and you can query your database, which I will show you here. It creates automatically the collection. I have the collection bird, which was auto-created with a lot of find a lot of data, which automatically traces all the graph, handles cyclic dependencies with certain rules, whatever, and well, you can do timeout. You can do whatever you want, and you can customize, and you can do a lot of cool stuff. And for example, Smalltalk Hub is running with that, and it's not because of that sometimes it crashes. It's because of the VM, and there is a lot of things, a lot of people using it, and that's all. 3 projects.